Welcome to Drawfee Beans, where we take dumb ideas
and make even dumber drawings.
I'm Nathan.
I'm Julia.
And today we are drawing Tristan Castro's suggestion. Please draw some real gnarly birds. You can interpret that however you please.
Okay.
Some gnarly birds. So gnarly can either be like real gunked up, real messed up, or it could be like gnarly, dude, like surfer
Gnarly
lingo.
Dude. Yeah, that's true. I didn't even think about that.
Like a surfing bird. Like what a bird. A bird is a surfing bird.
Uh-huh.
How that goes.
Yeah.
Is this a kiwi?
No. He kind of looks like a generic animal shape right now.
Okay. But you heard the suggestion gnarly birds and you immediately were like, I've got an idea.
Yeah.
So I'm excited when you get excited about a suggestion, I think we all do.
Do we?
Yeah.
I feel like first of all, here's a weakness of mine while I'm doing art.
that was good. Oh, I like this too.
Is that I'm very bad at drawing animals out of my memory.
You have to. I'm forbidding you from getting a reference. This is too good. This is just.
It's like, it is both that I don't want to get reference, and that I'm not allowed to get reference, and also that I'm, like, trying to make a cartoon, like, weird version of it. Ah, screw it. You know
what? What? Every time you erase the mouth, I'm like, oh no, it was so good, but then it's immediately better.
Thanks. So he's gonna.
Yeah, you've been absent from Drawfee Beans for a little while. You've been busy.
Yeah,
You've had a busy week.
Yeah, I have a lot of like projects that didn't have to be as big as they were on Dorkly, and then
you just decided to really.
And then I was like, you know what? I have zero time. Let me just make this project even more work for myself. So that I like go home and do work for the site on my free time.
I was doing work at home over the weekend, this weekend as well. What
were you doing?
I was working on the new episode of Draga
That's right.
You can watch.
Dude, that turned out so well
on Drawfee's YouTube channel. Yes.
Dude, that turned out very, very good.
Thank you. I mean, we all chipped in. We did. made some drawings for that. People really liked the drawing you did of Francis all taped up. Spoiler alert. There's a drawing of Francis all taped up.
Yeah.
But
I don't know what I'm doing with this flippin' bird.
I like that he's just like hanging out. It looks like he's just sitting on a stoop, like, yo, sup? Yeah, I'm a bird. What up? What do you want?
Hey.
Got any seeds?
Hey.
Got any bread?
What's up?
Oh, he's got some pecs.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's funny because it's a bird, so he pecks.
He got pecs.
He pecks, and he also has pecs.
I gotta gnarl this guy up.
Yeah, can you? Because right now you've just drawn a perfect bird.
I've done
a perfect photorealistic bird.
We joke, but this is probably the best bird I've ever drawn in my existence. So.
Sweet. Okay, yeah.
Other than that time I drew Harry making out with Hedwig.
Stretch those eyes. Oh, speaking of birds, I forget. Someone tweeted at me that they quoted me in their senior yearbook quote.
What was the quote?
The quote was "What if but long."
Oh yeah.
From our first ever drawing Pokemon from memory video. And I think, or maybe that was their significant other's quote, and their quote didn't get accepted, which was "Stretch that bird right out, please."
Stretch that bird right out, please. There's a lot of good.
But anyway, it's an honor. It's an honor and a privilege to be to have been selected for someone's senior quote. You know, it's Now my words are immortalized in a book. What is happening with this bird's neck? Oh, Julia's making the face. Julia's making the face the bird's making.
I always do. I just drew a comic with I just drew a Jurassic Park comic with some dinos at the end. And I made the face that I drew on them.
You were doing some dino faces?
Yeah, I was.
That's fun.
I was really glad that I sat in a corner facing away from everyone.
That's one thing I miss about sitting out in the main office with everybody is you get to see all the fun faces the illustrators make while they're drawing. Caldwell made some great faces.
He did, and sometimes you would look at him and his arm would be in the air, and you'd be like, "What are you doing?" And you'd realize he'd be using his arm as a reference.
So what is this bird's name?
Bruce.
Okay, this is Bruce.
Bruce.
And he's just like, kids these days, chicks these days.
He kind of looks like he's got poop.
You gotta push them out of the nest. They're never gonna learn to fly if you keep coddling them. All these dang helicopter parent. He's doing like a senior card gauge voice. I don't. Dang these kids.
I gotta aim for that.
Oh wow! He's squatting. I thought he was sitting, but yeah, he's
real squatting.
I'm gonna nail this car, man. This car's not going nowhere.
I'm also gonna give him some naps.
Yep, there it is.
Gnarly.
That's a gnarly bird.
Yep.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to top this, but I'll give it a shot.
Give it a go, Nathan.
Give it a go.
I like that I went on this show. I tend to just go with the first thing that pops into my head, as you can see from the 12 times that I redrew that face. And this is what comes out of my head on the first go. So I'm excited to see what you come up with since you had some time. Whoa.
Well, the gnarliest bird is a turkey.
Yeah, or like a condor.
Yeah, just the ones that have like whatever this thing is on the front.
A gizzard? Is it a gizzard?
A wattle?
What is the gizzard?
A gizzard is a like an internal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like one of the giblets.
Oh yeah, okay. Studio giblets,
yeah.
My favorite.
So this is a real lumpo melto bird.
Man, I went to the Bronx Zoo this weekend.
Oh yeah?
To do they have this thing called Run for the Wild, which is a charity event. And you get to hang out in the zoo afterwards. And I just looked at they have all these like vultures. They have a whole row of vultures, and man, they get real gross looking. They're just real lumpy and melty, and they're just like...
Yeah, like, what is that?
You know those, like,
what's the reason? Who decided?
Who decided? You know those, like, weird goo tumors you find on trees sometimes? That looks like what's growing on those birds' heads. You know, them tree goo tumors. Them
goobers.
Yeah. Oh man, he looks like a stack of pancakes with milk and butter on
this
it.
This is a turkey. This is Terry the turkey, and he is not happy to be here.
Yeah, this is the gnarly bird convention. We just meet once a year.
He's just like, you gonna take a poop there in that car?
No, I think I'll join you.
He just got like lumps all over.
You just whipped out this wonderful gnarly turkey.
Thank you. That's don't try this at home, kids.
I feel like I'm one step above drawing the turkey by using your hand. Like my knowledge on how to draw turkeys.
Yeah, he's just
he's just popping in.
Yeah, he's just popping into frame. I want to make this a scene. I'm gonna make him a little smaller. Oop. Move the canvas.
Yes, you did.
Move the canvas. There's gonna be a little canvas move there. In there.
Oh my God! Everything's falling apart.
It's fine. It's fine. Just gotta make him nice and drippy. Whoa. Nice drippy bird. Whoa. And it's got the like tail. Sort of coming out.
Bruce, what are you doing?
Bruce, you're gonna get that car.
Bruce looks like he has a forearm tattoo or like a bicep tattoo.
Oh yeah, those aren't because he's got his nipples showing, so those aren't feathers. that's a tattoo.
He has no feathers underneath his neck. Like from the neck below, there's just nothing. So he had to tattoo some on.
Look at this gnarly ass bird.
It's real gross and good looking, man. You did a good job.
Hey man, you see what these kids are doing these days?
Oldest turkey. Oh my God.
Yeah.
He really doesn't care.
I didn't used to look like this. Look, smoking messed up my face, man.
I'm gonna put up the taxes on the smoking, so now I can't even enjoy these.
He's gonna be wearing a trucker hat.
Oh, good. Is it gonna be
It's gonna say,
Yeah. I was trying to think of a John Deere pun.
it's an egg inspector. So he goes into the chicken coop and he's like, gotta inspect the eggs, but he's really just looking
Oh,
up.
ladies.
Oh, ladies, egg inspector.
Guess here to
here.
do my job. Totally not here.
Oh, not
Brother
gonna be a
Reynolds.
creep.
And yeah, I think just like some hair,
Oh,
just some
yeah.
patches of hair coming out, even though it's a bird. Yeah,
This is good. You did a good job, dude.
thank you. I think we both did. I think we did. I think we
Good
did.
team effort.
We did Tristan's suggestion to a T.
Ew.
And T is for turkey, and that's good enough for me. Guys, if you want your suggestion drawn, just leave it in the comments, and maybe we'll do it. You know, we no promises, but we need your suggestions to keep doing the show.
Yeah.
Check out our YouTube channel if you don't already. That's where we post our longer videos.
Or more edited, more fleshed out
More
videos.
more edited, more polished, but just don't mess with these birds.
Don't do it, man.
These
They're
birds-
real gnarly.
They've seen some shit. We're sorry.
Sorry.